Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I'm going to show you this thing here. It's the switcher. And so what it is, I'll just show you the box here. This is what it is here. And what it says, it says a switch at will under your control. And what it gives you the ability to do is you can have a printer. Like I have a printer here. I have other things like a keyboard. No, I don't have anything that has the USB, but it works. This is a USB one, like my microphone. Here's my microphone. It's a USB microphone. I don't have it plugged in right now. Otherwise, I would sound pretty good, but I'm recording with my phone, so I don't know how to do this stuff. But so I have a USB microphone. So I have different things, and I have more than one computer. So I have my laptop I hook things up to, and I also have my desktop that I hook things up to. So this is going to give me the ability to switch between them. So I don't have any of that stuff hooked up right now because I am currently in Texas, and my house in Florida is where my computers are at right now. So, but let's check out the stuff that it comes with. So this will be more of an unboxing than a review, other than I know how these things work because I've used them before, so I'm gonna say that these things work pretty well. So what it comes with here, so I took everything out of the box, and so what we've got is we have, what is this here? This is probably just some sort of welcome to our family page or something. Greetings, this is Joe from customer support. Thanks for your ordering with us. Okay, so we got that. And then it comes with a hello, instructions thing. So this is the instructions for it, but I'll show you what it looks like and how the concept is that it works so you guys can hook it up yourself. So this is the USB 3.0 switcher. So it uses USB 3.0. It's got on the one side here, you can see it has two inputs, and then it has a micro USB for power. So it didn't come with a micro USB power cord, which is weird that it didn't come with that, but it came with the USB wires that it needs. So, I mean, I have a million of those other ones, so I'm not too worried about it. But then the USB are just USB to USB, you can kind of see right there. So the inputs will go into the input side. So you have your green and your blue is what they call it, because as you push the button, I think it lights up those different colors. So you have your green and your blue, and this one will go to my laptop, and this one will go to my desktop, right? So you have those going to the computer, and then what you have on this side here is you have 4 different devices. So then I can have one going to my microphone, one going to my printer, one going to my keyboard, and one going to my mouse, right? So I have them going to all the different, actually those things are, some of those are wireless, but whatever, you can go to the different devices, and then as you do it, so what you can do is, so if I'm using my keyboard, if I'm using my laptop and I want it on this, this thing, I just push that button, and now it's doing the laptop. And then if I switch over to the computer and I want to print or something like that, push the button again, and now I'm connected. All these devices are connected to my computer. So it gives you the ability to just do those things, push a button, instead of unplugging the microphone and the keyboard, or having 2 sets of keyboards and 2 sets of microphones and 2 sets of mice and two printers and all these different wires going all around. It gives you the ability to just have this one little device. So it goes to your computers, and then it goes to your 4 different devices, which is cool. I had one before that only did 2 devices, so this is kind of nice that this uses 4 devices, and super easy to use. You just push the button. My last one it had ability on the keyboard to actually push something, but I don't think this one has that in there. It's just says connect the computers, micro USB for power, switch button, green lights for the PC input 1, and the blue light for the input 2, and then you connect your USB peripherals. I mean, it's really so simple. It just says connect them and push the button to select which computer you want to use. So that's kind of it. I mean, super basic, super easy to use. I mean, here's the instructions right there. You can kind of see, and I think the English ones are on that side there. And so a lot of stuff in other languages here. I mean, I don't speak Chinese or any other stuff, so it's not gonna be too meaningful. But that's what it is. It's the switcher, and I'm gonna put a link to this in my description. And if there's any issues as I hook this thing up, I'll let you guys know, but I don't anticipate it. I just expect it to work because it's a pretty simple concept that it just switches between, the ports all from one to the other. So it's good. And I have Macs, so my Macs kind of recognize the devices pretty automatically. I guess if you had some really old computer that doesn't recognize devices and you have to go and search for them or something like that, maybe when it disconnects, it might have a problem. But I would always just say if that happens, set it to the right computer and then reboot your computer, and then it'll probably connect up to everything. So that's probably what you need, and then that's everything. So that's it. The link is in the description, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.